loves us. He loves us with an unconditional love. A love that surpasses our knowledge and our understanding. We can never imagine or even understand the thoughts of God. The God of this universe who created all things. You know that Jesus Christ created the whole universe?
Hi! 안녕하세요! Hi! How are you?
Nice. You want cookies? M&M's, cookies? Jesus Christ is calling out to you now. That's why we're on this corner. If anybody needs to be prayed up, come here because we'll pray for you. And if you want to pray for us, you can come and pray for us too. We're not perfect. Well, we're just saved. We're saved by the blood of the cross. We're saved by the sacrifice that Jesus Christ made for us.